Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Netflix issue. This device is not a part of your Netflix household. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store, search for the Netflix and update your Netflix application. And the second method, you simply need to turn off your Wi-Fi, and once you need to turn on the airplane mode and turn off. And in the third method, you need to go and open the settings, go into the app management, click on app list and search here Netflix. So click on that, and here you can see a bunch of options. So select storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow permissions from here. So once you done that, you need to come back and hopefully your issue get resolved. But if you are still facing an issue, you simply need to come and search for Netflix support and click on that, and you need to contact the support team and describe your issue. And basically you need to explain your issue to the Netflix support team, and they will help you to resolve your issue as soon as possible. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.